my friends and family and fans. We're out here on this beautiful Wisconsin weather. It's about 50 out. Gorgeous day to be outside. Sweater weather, pretty much. Enjoying everything going on. But today's video we're going to talk about Wisconsin plating and title for mini trucks and imports, and a quick little update what's going on and everything. As you can see, there's no big pile of cow waste right there. So there's birds coming in and out of here, so we can walk through here. But anyways, I have full access to my building now, so many more fun videos can come out of it. So let's turn on the lights here. There she be. There's the mini truck of joy. So the quick rundown for plating one of these in our state is you need the MV1 form, and then you need to fill out at the same time is the Wisconsin collector plate form, which that should be here. Let's pull it up. Give me a second. So you want the MV2323, and then you have to fill out your the proper taxes. So whatever your how much whatever you paid for this, whatever the state wants for in their taxes. And then you have to write them a check, and you have to mail everything with your import documentation, the Japanese title. I did it all. I know a friend that did just the Japanese title, and he got his plates just fine. I wouldn't worry too much because it's going to take about 4 weeks. It's going to get sent to the research team, and you're going to be put in a queue, and they're going to review all your paperwork. I made the mistake of applying for normal plates because I've seen some of these with normal plates, which I went through the process. There's no way they could have normal plates unless it's a certain specific year. But I've seen them with this body style, you know, so it's just a little odd, but you know, somehow, some way they managed to do it. But so it took me about 4 weeks to get my paperwork. Well, actually longer because of my mistake I did. So they sent me a letter stating that no, they cannot plate this or register it in Wisconsin because of it was never manufactured for U.S. markets. But they sent, if you flip the paper around, it stated that if you want to do the collector's option, as this is a very popular option to do on these vehicles, we can go ahead and issue collector plates. It's going to be, they told me actually I could take $100 off, or not off, but towards my next, well, it was, because I only paid $100 into it. So I had to pay more, so it was like $300 that I had to write a check, if that makes sense. And then they issued me a Wisconsin title that states in bold letters that says this vehicle does not conform to our safety and EPA standards, which, you know, makes sense to put that on there. Here, we'll take a peek inside. Beautiful truck still. Let's flip these on. just so I can admire the beautiful underglow that we did to it. Very, very popular option to do on these. But so got that letter, changed it up, changed it to collectors, sent them an art check. They cashed the check, which I'm pretty sure they cash any check they get, so it doesn't matter. And then waited about 4 more weeks. Then one day, I get those pre-notifications when mail comes in that it said something from the DMV. So either A, they rejected it, or B, they accepted it. Well, it was the B option, and they accepted it. It was the title. And then a couple weeks later, I got the collector plates. Probably the most amazing stuff. But yeah, it's just your MV1. Fill that out. Don't fill out the plate information on there. And then you're going to need your MV2323. And then all you got to do is fill that out. The only downside to getting collectors is you can't drive it in the first month of the year, so January. And you must have a car that's has regular plates on it. So if you had a Ford Focus like this one right here, I could use the plate number that I have on this, and I would be able to get collector plates on any of my cars that are 25 years or older. This is a 2012, so this is not going to get collector's plates for a while. But this is a 97, and I'm 26, so 98s can get collector plates, so that's really, really amazing. So that's that. That's how you do that. I'm going to show you the MV1 form here, and I'm going to show you the M23 form right over here. So we could do that. But so far, this is emptied out space. I've been pressure washing the heck out of this floor, trying to work on getting a video over there, doing pressure washing and stuff. But it's getting cold and stuff. Here's all the bikes. I gotta get battery tenders for pretty much everything that's here. So nice and running. I gotta leaf blow stuff. If I had more money, I would put fucking doors on, but there's a lot that's gonna go into this place to make it more lovely and shop stuff. But working on trying to get all the hay out of the loft because it's not ours, and working on just getting this barn mostly set up. The grom is hanging out by itself. A lot of these useless beams are gonna get pulled out. Changed all the light bulbs to brighter bulbs, but there's old conduit that I'm gonna run new wire through and replace some of these. So there's just more accurate lighting in here. You can see there's one over here. And then I want one back here, so might be a video on that or two. Just been busy with my 9-to-5 job. So YouTube is not my main mission here. So, but we also have an art garage over here that we really need I want to do something with. So, but this is our sled. So that's going to be cool. It runs. It just needs a wash. Then we come over here. And you come in this is the old milk house. As you can see. Very, very cool. But I'm going to turn this room into a tool room, storage room, compressor room. I'm going to cut all these pipes out. They're dead. Nothing's ran to them anymore. Put a light in here, probably a couple of lights. Put new switches in, just so we can use the place. Maybe put a door here instead of this half door. And then I want to put garage doors, but I know that's going to be expensive, the most expensive part of doing this. So, and then we have to put a staircase into the hayloft because we could put all of our engines and tires and all the stuff that we're not going to really work on, which we can go up there since it's nice and bright. As you can see, there's a lot of room up here. Lots of room. Lots of ideas. I don't know what kind of ideas we can do, but nonetheless, it's ideas. So once all this hay goes away, because we had cows, we had to let them go for reasons, but we can come over here, peek right outside. This is what it looks like on that window. Beautiful out. All of our cars, even though those are two right there, aren't mine. But anyways, I hope you find that information useful. That's for just the state of Wisconsin. It does not apply to any other states in the United States. To get your mini truck titled and plated and registered on the road. And the insurance company I use, it's Haggerty, if I'm pronouncing that right, for all the classic vehicles, which I'll point there. They approved me. I have Allstate, so they actually had somebody that was like they talked to each other, I guess, partnership. So if they couldn't insure one vehicle, then they send that information over to the other company, and then they approve it because it's a classic. So more stuff about the mini trucks and stuff. Just getting it ready for winter. Probably just going to be using it to move logs around, and because we actually put a wood stove in our garage. So come over here. So we've been splitting a lot of wood, and we don't have enough trees to do that. Mostly get donated logs and stuff, or go on Craigslist and find people that already cut down trees. But wood splitters in there. I'm not climbing over this. And then just show you a quick update of the garage. Just why not? Beautiful day. Do a nice little vlog. Should start doing crazy videos, but I don't even know what I want to do yet. So started to put an installation up. It's actually pretty warm in here. Still got to put all the fiberglass up there, and then run all new lights. But it looks pretty good. And then wood stove, which works pretty all right. It's not the greatest install that most people will do, but DIY, good. So bunch of engines that need to go into the barn. This lawn boy probably needs to go in the barn. That needs to go in the barn, that tiller, because it doesn't work. Still building the dirt bike. Currently it's just covered up over there in the welder's jacket. So yep, winter project, get that for summer. Probably try to sell that. It's a nice 250, fully rebuilt, so could work on that. Gotta turn in all this scrap metal that I got. Puppy. And then walk over to the car lot. 2 cars just chilling over here. Hopefully I can get them sold before snow starts to come. Side of the barn. So also had a cow waste over here, but now it's gone. Should throw some seed down and get that all grass growing again back here. So yeah, so any questions about anything, if there's something that you guys want to see, just comment below and I'll just enjoy the video. Slow pace, nothing special. So till next time guys, peace.